Alright, this is my first attempt to make a YouTube, so help me out, like that video. Harley Sportster won't start. If you turn your key on, you don't hear your fuel pump kicking on. If it turns over real fast, chances are you ain't getting fuel because your fuel pump's not turning on. That'd be one of these two relays down here. Pull your seat off, pull this cover down by your battery. Same relay as your starter. Bottom one is fuel, top one's starter. You can switch them around. Put your good one, obviously it's turning over in the bottom. Put your bad fuel one in the top. This is your fuel. Turn the key back on. You hear that fuel pump? Now you got fuel. But now you ain't going to be able to start it unless you can find a nice big hill. Good luck. Hope this video helps. Remember, like it. This is my first attempt.